Hi everyone, thanks for stopping by. Today let's make a simple yet healthy snack I think you will really love. It may be healthy, but it tastes great. Today, we will be making oatmeal brownie. This is a very healthy version of brownies that you can make at home. It is vegan, so it doesn't have any processed sugar. Eggless doesn't contain butter, and also flourless. So it is a perfect guilt-free dessert. Let us begin. To make this recipe, you will need 1/3 cup or 80 grams of peanut butter, 1/2 cup or 120 grams of maple syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups or 480 ml of milk of your choice, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract 2 cups or 180 grams of rolled oats, 1/4 cup or 30 grams of cocoa powder, and 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/3 cup or 60 grams of chocolate chips to sprinkle on top. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grease an 8-inch or 20 centimeters square baking pan. You can also use a round pan. I've used a glass baking pan for this video. In a large bowl, mix peanut butter and maple syrup until smooth and creamy. Now add milk, salt, and vanilla extract and mix until smooth. Now add oats, cocoa powder, ground flax seeds, and baking powder. Mix until all ingredients are combined. Then add chocolate chips and stir. Now pour the batter into the prepared pan. Sprinkle some chocolate chips on top and bake for 40 minutes or until set. You can check doneness by inserting a toothpick in the center. If it comes out with moist crumbs, then it is done. Allow the brownie to cool for at least 10 minutes before serving. You can serve it warm with a scoop of ice cream or whipped cream. Now let us see the nutrition facts. This recipe yields 9 brownies. Each brownie has calories 266, total fat 15 grams, carbohydrate 31 grams, protein 5 grams, and fiber 3 grams. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up and share with your family and friends. Subscribe for more amazing recipes. I will see you next time. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and happy cooking.